So for this video, we're going to draw a succulent that looks more like a flower. And it's the one with like I call them bat leaves, but they're really thick little leaves. So it won't look like these cactuses. Now I'm drawing a very simplified version of it. So if you want to do a more detailed one, you are more than welcome to go do so. So to start off like these two, we'll start with our pot. Now if this was a real pot, it would totally fall over because the base is too skinny to hold it up. But this is a drawing. I kind of made a mistake and we're just going to keep going with it. Okay, so essentially we're just going to draw these leaf shapes. I'm trying to overlap them. And that's all you have to do. If you want to go in and add some veins into it, you can. But I will not for these. I'm going to go ahead and draw my ground line. Because you can't have floating pots in the middle of nowhere. And this would be the time where if you wanted those extra points, you would go ahead and add extra details. Maybe throw in some more cactus. But I'm going to quickly color and show you how I colored these, because I know some people like to wait to the last day. So I'm going to go with my lightest green color that I have, and I'm going to color most of the leaf, or I'll go ahead and color all of the leaf. I won't make it too toned. To create some shading, you can go ahead and use the same color and just go over areas, especially if you have a marker, and go darker. You can do the same with a coloring pencil by bearing down a little bit harder in the same color, or you can go in and grab one coloring pencil that is a shade darker. So I'm just going in and kind of following the shape of the bottom. Now I'm just doing a quick one, so my students that are a little more artsy, you can do whatever technique that you use for shading. So this is slightly darker, and I'm going to go in at the bottom. And these are not the alcohol blending markers, so they do not blend quite as well. And then I will color my pot. Let's go with this slightly purple color. Go in with a light blue, and just go underneath the pots, and kind of give it a shadow. Now with this pot, the reason why it has the little bit more beyond the end of the pot is because if you look at the leaves, they extend out. So if the sun was coming directly down, you would see a bit of the shape of the leaves.